Alright, so the very last thing that we need to learn about is histograms. And the biggest thing that I want to make note is that there's a difference between bar charts and histograms. So sometimes you might see something that looks like this. Oops, let me redo that. Where you have, this is a bar chart, where you might have categorical data on the bottom here. You know, maybe this, if we were talking about the last one, maybe this is small shirts, medium shirts, large. These are not drawn to scale very well, but they're all separated and there's space in between. This is a bar chart, okay? And that is not the same as a histogram. So a histogram can only be used to represent quantitative data. And histograms will touch like this. Okay, there's no space in between them. So this right here would be an example of a histogram. I'll keep doing this a little bit further. And all the widths should be the same. Okay, so this is what we're talking about here. This is a histogram. If frequency tables are often used to help set up a histogram, it can only be used to show data with quantitative variables. Okay, so let's see it in action. Unfortunately, I still don't have the data from here, but we need to answer these questions right here, and here on the next slide here. So we're going to use this U-Try to help teach this. Okay, so because I don't have the data from class today, so let's go do this U-Try. So I'm going to set up these intervals starting at 60 to 70. And then I'll do 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and then 90 to 100. And I'm not going to be inclusive, so I'll tell you what that means here in a little bit. So this right here is going to be, let me try this, 60 to 70. And then I'll do 70 to 80. And these are only labels right now. So 60 to 70 is going to be, really that means 60 to all the way up to almost 70. So like 69.99 or 70 to 80 would be like, the maximum would be 79.99. So basically think of this as being all the numbers between these, including 70 but not including 80. This will be from 80 to 90, not inclusive here but inclusive here, and then from 90 to 100. All right, so I'm just going to go through and use my cross-off method like I did before to figure out all the values between 60 and 70. So it looks like I've got, let's see, 1, 2 here. I have, for 70 to 80, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3. For 80 to 90, I have, looks like 1, let's see, 1, 2, I think that's, oh, looks like I have 3 there. And then lastly, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have my frequency, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my intervals up from here. So this will be 60 to 70. Here will be 70 to 80. Here will be 80 to 90. And then this will be 90 to 100. And we're just going to draw our, oops, I don't know what happened there. Go redo that. Okay, and then 70 to 80 will be 3 here. And then up to 6. Now, on the Delta math assignment that you do, you might see an example to where the number might be go from 60 to 69 or from 70 to 79, and that's okay too. For those, you can go ahead and do those examples like that. But I just wanted to show you what the rough outline of a histogram is going to look like here with this one U-Try example. Okay, and that is it for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.